Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys see by the title, we have another wig review. This wig was sent to me from Sam Beauty and we are going to be trying out this wig here. This is from Sensationnel and this is the Cloud9 Swift Lace wig. In what lace? Hairline illusion lace wig. So this is what we are going to be reviewing today, and I think I got the color 1B. The heat is safe up to 350 to 400 Fahrenheit. So this is also pre-plucked for you, as it shows right there. So it's already pre-plucked. Girl, I'm loving these wigs because they all come pre-plucked. So I'm happy that they changed the wigs throughout the years. This look beautiful, okay? It comes with baby hair also. So I'm not even gonna play with the baby hair. As you guys know, I'm not a baby hair type girl, but it's there if you wanna, if you want to use it. Okay, so this is the wig here, like really beautiful. It's very simple. Okay, so we get 3 combs, 1 on each side here, and we got 1 in the back here. So let's just put it on and see what we get in. And I really do like how this wigs fits my head, because I have a big head, and this fits really nice. Look, like it's already popping, like it's really giving me everything. Like I really like the front, like look at this, like pre-pluck, really nice for you. And there's baby hair right there. Yeah, I don't know, I might play with the baby hair, but we're gonna see. I'm not sure. Yeah, I really do like it. Let's just comb it out and see what we get in. I don't even think this wig is like straight on my head, so it's okay. I'm gonna fix it after, but just want to like show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this looks pretty good. I really like the hairline. Let me show you guys. I'm actually not even getting any shedding. It looks like really pretty. As you can see, you really don't have to like put hot comb in it. You could just brush it off and you're good to go. But you guys know me, I'm gonna put some heat on that, because I always like to test the wig out to see if you take heat. And if you guys, I really actually like the cut. It cut like really nice. Like, see, like cut.
I'ma buy a mansion for my mama when I finally make it. Take all my vacations to Bahamas, always celebrating. Ever since my birthday was the bomb, and now I'm detonating. No, you can't relate, you just can't relate. Every day I wake up like a boss, and I be thanking Jesus. Fakers trying to get up in my circle, I don't really need them. We been saying we up next forever, now we really mean it. We about that action, acting bad shit when you see us, yeah. I'm passionate, I work hard so when it pop, it ain't on accident. Yeah, I'm always on go, better watch how I go. Don't forget to let you know I be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. Win a Grammy, I be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I be busy ballin', ballin', ballin'. Ooh, boy, I be cashing checks like it ain't shit. Loose leaf in it. When we go out, always in the VIP. Whole crew be lit. Running my money up, running. Watch it all fall from the sky. I ain't picking That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it here. They see me paying dues. I was living check to check. Now I'm whipping something new. Better pay me my respect. I ain't never gonna lose. I'll be ballin'. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy scoring. I would drop it out, buy a house in New Orleans. Up the empty and I'm sure I'm important. With a Grammy, I'll be ballin' like I'm Jordan. While you hear the snoring, I'll be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I'll be busy ballin', 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 ooh, ballin'. I'll be busy ballin', 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 ballin'. Yeah, I'll be busy ballin'.
I tried to figure out which side that I wanted the wig, so I decided to do a little side part this time around. This here is a beautiful unit. You really don't have to do much to this wig at all. It hits really good. I actually love the length. I really do like it. It's like they cut it really nice. I love the hairline. I did experience a little bit of shedding in the front because I cut off most of the lace, but beside that, this is a beautiful unit. It blends in, like it actually looked like my real hair. Okay, so I'm trying again to go back to my regular powder. Now sometimes it works for me and sometimes it don't, but this time around I think that it looking really nice with the parting space, so I use my Fenty powder for that step. I usually go in and blend it a lot so it could, you know, you don't look too washed out. But this is a beautiful unit. I love this wig. I don't know the length of it. It looks like a 14-inch, I think. Girl, this is really nice, and in the front, like right here, it's like really flat. As you guys see in the video, I use my hot comb to, you know, straighten it out a little bit because I really wanted to, you know, look bone straight and really flat on the top. It's very full. As you guys can see, it's like it's really full. So I really do like this wig. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this unit. If you're enjoying my wig videos, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. Also hit the notification bell so when I upload videos, you guys are notified. Thank you guys so much for your support. I really appreciate it. Until next time, bye guys.
I ain't picking up. That's $6 on the line. You know I ain't got the time. I be busy on the move. People wonder how I made it here. They see me paying dues. I was living check to check.